Living with erectile dysfunction can be a challenging and embarrassing experience. It can affect your self-esteem and your relationships, but finding the right erectile dysfunction cure for you can be a game changer. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we've put together some tips and tricks to help you find the right erectile dysfunction cure for you. I've been struggling with erectile dysfunction for a while now, and I've tried a few different treatments, but nothing seems to work for me. I'm hoping these tips will help me find the right solution. Tip number 1. Talk to your doctor. Erectile dysfunction can be a symptom of an underlying health condition, such as high blood pressure or diabetes. Your doctor can help you identify any underlying health issues and recommend the right treatment for you. It's important to have an open and honest conversation with your doctor about your erectile dysfunction symptoms. Together, we can explore the different treatment options and find the one that's right for you. Tip number 2. Consider your lifestyle. Some erectile dysfunction treatments, such as pills, may not be suitable if you have certain health conditions or take certain medications. It's important to consider your overall health and lifestyle when choosing a treatment. Exercise and a healthy diet can also help improve erectile dysfunction symptoms. Talk to your doctor about incorporating lifestyle changes into your treatment plan. Tip number 3. Do your research. There are many different erectile dysfunction treatments available, from pills to injections to pumps. It's important to research the different options and understand how they work. Reading articles, books, and online resources can help you understand the pros and cons of each treatment option. Tip number 4. Consider the side effects. Every erectile dysfunction treatment has its own set of potential side effects. It's important to consider these side effects when choosing a treatment option. Talk to your doctor about the potential side effects of each treatment and how they may affect you. Tip number 5. Try different treatments. Sometimes, finding the right erectile dysfunction cure for you may take some trial and error. It's important to be patient and willing to try different treatments until you find the one that works best for you. I've tried a few different treatments so far, and I'm still searching for the right one for me. But I'm not giving up. I know there's a solution out there, and I'm willing to keep trying until I find it. Living with erectile dysfunction can be challenging, but finding the right erectile dysfunction cure for you can be life-changing. Remember to talk to your doctor, consider your lifestyle, do your research, consider the side effects, and be willing to try different treatments. With these tips and tricks, you can find the right erectile dysfunction cure for you. I'm feeling more hopeful now than ever before. I know that with the right treatment, I can overcome erectile dysfunction and regain my confidence and quality of life. In addition to the tips we've mentioned, there are also supplements available that can help with erectile dysfunction. One such supplement is Red Boost, an all-natural supplement that helps boost blood flow and energy levels, leading to improved sexual performance. A potent blend of herbs and nutrients that can help improve circulation, boost testosterone levels, and enhance sexual function. If you're struggling with erectile dysfunction and are looking for a natural solution, these supplements may be worth trying. Always talk to your doctor before trying any new supplements or treatments. Don't let erectile dysfunction control your life. Try these tips and supplements to regain your sexual confidence and enjoy a healthy and fulfilling sex life. Talk to your doctor today to find the right solution for you.